Will I lose myself up in those eyes? I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body.
I done pop this on. Y'all, I was just trying to smell it. Oh my god. Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I pretty much did my first impressions on, you know, some new makeup that I bought. So yeah, it was my first time trying them in this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing, you know, what I used to get this look and my thoughts on the products that I use in the video, then definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and just pause this video and hit that subscribe button for your girl. Also leave a thumbs up and comment down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. I picked up a couple things for my, well, not a couple, I just picked up 2 things for my brows. I got the new Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil, brow definer. Yeah, brow definer. And then I just picked up my NYX eyebrow gel in espresso. This isn't new to me. This is just one of my favorite products for my brows, but I just ran out of it, so I just picked that up. But in this video today, I'm gonna be using the Total Temptation brow definer by Maybelline. I think this is in the shade Deep Brown. It's really cute. I really love the packaging. I really love this small spoolie at the top too. It's bomb. Pretty much like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer. So yeah, we're just gonna go in. Okay, so I like the applicator. It's very different. Now that I'm holding it, it feels like really small. But let's see the payoff. It's doing a good job, guys. One thing that I noticed, I have like this sparse area right here of my brow, and it's not covering it. So I feel like this is literally just to fill in your brows when like your brows are already like done, if you get what I'm saying. Like if you got your eyebrows done, I feel like this would be a good tool just to fill them in and not actually do them with. But I mean, overall, I think this is a very nice product. It goes on like really smooth. It's very creamy. But, you know, that's the only thing. I wouldn't use this to actually do your eyebrows. But one thing though, I'm really loving this brush. I really love that. I was trying to just only use this for my brows, but I can't, so I'm just gonna fill in my sparse areas with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. I like my brows really dark. Yeah, so it's not bad, but I wouldn't recommend it for an everyday, you know, use. Just because it's not something that you can actually fill your eyebrows in. It's literally just a definer. Like, it will only define your brows. It won't like give them like that full look. Y'all know the drill right here. I'm just gonna go ahead with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and clean up my brows. Alright, love, so eyebrows are done, and now we are going to jump into the eyes. Morphe Eyelid Primer. Well, they gave me like a free sample. So I'm just gonna apply this to my eyes. It feels really smooth, very nice. And instead of using my concealer, I'm just gonna use this to prime my eyelids. And I'm just taking my finger and blending it out. So it does have like a tinted color to it. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but we shall see. So I'm just gonna speed up this process of doing my eyes because again, I don't have like, I didn't get a new eyeshadow palette, so I'm just gonna use what I have and speed this process up. So I'm going to be doing a wing liner, and I lost my gel liner. I used to use the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner, but I got the Morphe gel liner in the shade Jet. So this is pretty much just like a jet black, and I'm going to do my liner with this. This is like super creamy. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling it, y'all. I love this gel liner. It's super creamy, super black pigmented, and super matte as well. You know the liners that's like glossy, and I hate those. So that right there is really good. I really like that. Okay, so I applied my lashes and I didn't really do anything different. These are the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, one of my favorite lashes. And yeah, so now onto the face. I got the NYX No Filter Blurring Primer, and I want to try this out. So let's see. Okay, it's pretty much like a tinted color. Put it on my face so you guys can see. It's not white, it's like, it looks like concealer. Honestly, it smells very citrusy, but not in a bad way. It smells like clean and fresh. Oh, okay. So once you put it on your face, it feels like lotion until you work it in, and then, you know, it starts to feel silicone-y. So I feel like this reminds me of the Benefit Pore Professional Primer. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, I see this working. Yep. Okay. So I will definitely be using that again. I actually really like that primer. This right here is bomb. I have a review on this foundation. If you guys have not seen that, then go ahead and check that out. It'll be linked in the description box below. In the review, I got the color Warm Sun, but I went back and I got like 2 or 3 shades lighter, and this is 320, and I think this will fit my complexion much better because I feel like the other one was just way too orange. So I went ahead and got 320 Honey, and I think this one would be perfect. Just shaking it up. Apply some on my face. I'm scared right now. Okay. All right, honestly, y'all, I don't know how I feel about it. Yeah, honestly, guys, I don't know how I feel about this foundation. All right, guys, so I'm not really feeling this, so I'm just gonna go in with a little of my Fit Me in Classic Tan and just put a little bit over my foundation right now because, okay, I really think that made a difference. I feel a little bit better right now, but I'm still not feeling like my foundation. So I'm gonna try the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I heard a lot of good things about this concealer. They added some new concealer colors for darker skin tone, you know, more inclusive range. So I'm really excited to try this out. Oh, and this is in the color Golden. So the applicator is like a sponge, and it's a bit weird. It's different. Oh. Okay. All right, so there we have it. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. And I also got the NYX HD Studio Concealer. This is in color 3.5 and I got 05, but I think 05 is way too light. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out and then see if I need to apply another shade on top just to give me a brighter highlight. I recently just got this Morphe sponge. It is very soft and my first time using this sponge, so let's see how this works. The sponge is super soft. Guys, I actually really like the concealer. Okay, so I feel like I look like super yellow, so I am gonna go in with the NYX concealer. This is in the shade 3.5 and just gonna apply some under my eyes. I know this is really light, but I feel like it'll take away some of that yellowness. I'm going to go in with this new sleek cream contour kit, and this is in the color dark. And as you guys can see, they have, you know, a nice range of contour shades. I think I'm gonna use this shade and this shade together to cream contour and apply this to my cheekbones, my jawline, my chin, under my lip, my forehead, and just a little bit on the side of my nose. Wow, so I really like that. It's very creamy, very nice, very natural looking, and it's not too red. So I really like that. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild stippling brush and just stipple this and blend this out. Wow. Guys, yes, I like this. I like this. So I didn't get any like new setting powder or anything, so I'm just gonna do my norm. Use my Airspun. So I didn't get any new bronzer or anything, so I'm just gonna skip past all of that and I'm gonna do my bronzer, my blush, and finish up with my eyes, and then we're going to finish off with highlight. I'm going to go in with the MorpheXBretman Babe in Paradise highlighting palette. This just came out, and if you guys want to see a review on this palette, a review, a demo, swatches, all that type of stuff in a separate video, then give this video a thumbs up or comment down below and let me know. I'm going to go into Get Laid. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love how wide the brush is. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And the highlighter is bomb. My MAC Fix Plus setting spray in lavender. And while my face is drying, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with my NYX lip liner in the shade Cappuccino. So y'all know I don't usually use lip liners, but your girl got a sharpener nail, so. I am debating which one of these beauties I should use for you know, the look that we have going on today. This is the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Lippies. They just came out with these, so I'm really excited. Glad I could get my hands on this. Let's see. So I'm thinking this color right here will more so complement the look. So this is in the shade Visionary, and we're gonna go ahead and pop this on. Y'all, I was just trying to smell it. Oh my god. Alright, so I think it's gone. Let's go ahead and put this on. It smells so good, so good. It smells like vanilla. Oh my gosh, you guys. This color. Bomb. Love this lip. It dried down. It's so pretty, so pretty, and I would definitely be getting more colors. Yes, it's a must. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.